Oh joy. Being super self-conscious of how you look and running a YouTube channel, man, that's a perfect combination right there. Hey all, welcome to 4DT and Happy New Year. It's 2022. This is going to be my first year running a YouTube channel and my first YouTube channel ever. So this is going to be a learning experience. But I'm having fun with it, and I hope you enjoy what I make. So I wanted to look ahead into 2022, and I may have bought something else too. So I want to show you guys. Doggos chewing on sticks is the best thing ever. Yes, it is. So some of you might be wondering what 4DT stands for. Well, I'm going to tell you. It stands for Dumb Dog Doing Dumb Things. Singular, because I'm the dumb dog, and I do the dumb things. Apologies to anybody that doesn't want to see this ugly mug. But I know you guys like to see who's behind the channel and who's doing all the crazy things, and so I'm going to try and be in front of the camera a little bit more. I just have to get over myself. I'm a bit of a tinkerer, a bit of a maker. I like building things, I like fixing things. I have a strong mechanical engineering background, and I like to geek out on the geeky stuff. So they say make a plan and work the plan. I have no plan. I have no idea what we'll be doing this year. I've been interested in off-roading, but I've never been before. So I have my first ever trip planned in a couple of weeks, and I'm going to be taking my 96 XJ with me. So I'll bring you guys along, and hopefully I really enjoy it, because otherwise I might have a bit invested in another hobby that I don't particularly like. Let's take a look at what you've already seen. So this is my 96 XJ. This is my primary off-roading rig. I've got lots of upgrades that I planned for this. I've got lights and switches that I want to put in it. We have a lot of things we need to fix. I've already fixed the transmission. It's still leaking a little bit. I've got battery cables to do in this. I've got a lot of mechanical things that need to be fixed on it, but I also have some off-roading upgrades that I want to do to it. It's already got a 6.5-inch lift, but it's not complete. So the first thing we're going to be adding are SRBs. Solid rocket boosters? No, I wish. NASA might have something to say about that. No, they are shackle relocation brackets. So those shackles might be a little bit hard to see because GoPro. Those shackles are currently vertical, and they shouldn't be that way. And also the whole Cherokee sags about 2 inches in the rear. So that's going to give me about 1.5 inches of lift. I was hoping to get the SRBs done before the off-roading trip, but I don't think that's going to happen. I also have a roof rack, unknown brand, that I pulled off of it because it was missing half the bolts and half the brackets, and I don't like that. So I'm going to finish the brackets. I'm going to take these roof rails off, and we're going to put that right up there. So this Cherokee also has the stock steering that I am going to be upgrading. So this is my trail forged steering upgrade kit. Sean has been really helpful in answering some of my questions about these heim joints on the ends. Once I get those straightened out, we'll be able to install those onto the front, and we won't have to worry about steering issues anymore. The next vehicle, it's my wife's 2013 JK Wrangler, done up in a Hogwarts theme. This truly is her pride and joy. We just put 35-inch tires and wheels on it, as well as new fenders, and a quarter panel. We're waiting on custom fender liners to be made by Wild Child Customs. Then we'll figure out how much of a lift to put on it. We're thinking somewhere around 2 inches. Next modification we'll be doing is a heavy-duty tire carrier for the spare tire. Let me know in the comments below if that install is something you'd like to see. Probably the biggest build on this channel is going to be our overlanding camper, based off of the plans that Shawnee Hills offers on their website. If you have a chance, go check out his awesome videos on his YouTube channel. I really think he deserves your subscription. I love this camper's ability to go just about anywhere either of our two Jeeps can go, but I wanted to make it a little bigger for us and our two dogs. I've roughed together my own set of drawings, and I hope to start on this build very soon. I've already purchased some of the components that I'm going to need for it, starting with this old trailer. I'm going to pull this trailer apart, turn it into two separate trailers, one of them being my overland camper. As for wheels and tires for my camper, I am totally stealing these Rubicon wheels that we took off my wife's Jeep. One Jeep was just so much fun, we had to buy two. So what's more fun than two Jeeps? That's right, 3 Jeeps. So I traded my primary driver in for a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. I wanted a daily driver that was better on gas and had room for the dogs in back. So this is now the dog's primary mode of transportation. I have really been enjoying driving this thing, and I'm super excited about the 4-wheel drive system. Who knows? It might go on some trails. Although it won't have too many modifications, I do have to get rid of this stupid trailer hitch. So we picked up the Trailhawk just in time for a snowstorm in the North Carolina mountains on our anniversary. So of course we went for a drive up there. And let me tell you, it was gorgeous. So if you like what I'm doing, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you think there's anything that I should add to my to-do list or places I should go off-roading. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Ring the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. But most importantly, feed the algorithm. Feed it. Hey all, and welcome to 2020 new. 2020 new. It's a 2-year. Happy 2-year to everybody. Talking animated with my head talking.